Here we are. Top of Liptons Seat.
Oh dear.
Oh, nearly at the top, just for sunrise. Wow. All the tea bushes here. Still with drops of dew dripping off them. We're going to walk down this windy road. Well, we've got a little bit to go to the top yet, but get to the top, see the views, and see what happens.
As you can see, it's very misty at the bottom, but I think we aren't at the top yet. You see, the gate was shut, so we've had to walk the last kilometre and a half, and it's, you know, obviously very steep, so we're not quite at the top yet. This is just to show you how misty it is, and then hopefully once that sun breaks through, still got moon up there, then we'll get a different view. Just about to come out at the top of them clouds now. We've got some really long trees right over there in distance. There are a lot of birds in this tree twittering away at us, but they've just flown off. That's definitely a mast. And then over there, those 4 trees that we thought were trees, I think at least 2 or 3 of them might be masts. I'm not convinced of trees anyway. That's the highest point you can go. And then, so this is where Lipton, who makes the tea, used to come and contemplate. So they've called it Liptons Seat. So, whoa, bloody hell fire, a big bee. Buzzy thing. There's only us 2 here. I thought there were going to be millions of tourists. Eh? Wow. My God, look at this. Bloody hell fire. Oh, you don't know where to look first because it's so, you know, you've got all down bit. We probably haven't introduced it all properly because we arrived in fog and it got dark, and we probably haven't, you know, told you half of it really, but obviously we're in tea plantations and we'll be seeing them picking tea in a bit. I think the tea factory opens at 7:30 till 12 and it's 6:05 at the moment because we got up at 20 to 5. Beautiful. Look at that. Welcome to Liptons Seat. That tells you all about the tea garden, opened by Thomas Lipton in the 1800s to 1930s, perched perilously at the edge of a sheer descent at 6,000 feet, offering a 360-degree view. It's one of the world's most breathtaking. That's where we were just then, and we've just walked up. There's a little sign down here, it says welcome to Lipton Tea Shop. It's all shut up, and even when you get to the factory you can't even have a cup of tea at the factory, which is madness. It's permanently shifting fog. Starting to clear at that side quite a bit. We've got them 4 antennae, whatever they are again. I like this scene. Lovely.
Dog's battling it back round. It's great down here. Educating the workers here. It's a little temple there. Janice just done a bit of negotiating with his man here. We got up there before it opened, so we didn't have to pay. Very clever wife, aren't you? Yeah?
What are you telling him?
We didn't have to pay because we got him before it opened.
I said we were at 5 o'clock. You weren't even here.
Just been inside this tea factory, which was started by Liptons, and we've just come into this little tea cafe for some breakfast. Janice is having a nibble at it.
It's got a hot bit.
Yeah, Janice.
Yeah. Yep.
So we're having them. They're really nice. So, very nice place. That's a gentleman that's cooking our breakfast for us this morning. Oh.